So this is my refrigerator after being Carlified. That's black carbon fiber. There's the door handle. There's the other door, minus the door handle. You can see it was stainless steel. Now it's black carbon fiber. Very cleanable, very nice, and not all ugly. Like just by walking by it, the stainless gets marked. This is much cooler.